sa ating lahat mga friends. Kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, welcome po sa Pamilya Mapagmahal. At kung paano magiging part sa pamilya ito, subscribe nyo na yan, ganoon lang kadali. For today's video mga friends ay magkakaroon ulit tayo ng reaction video patungkol pa rin dito sa beatboxing mga friends. At itong papanoorin natin ngayon mga friends ay kakaiba to, hindi katulad ng dati na pinapanood natin. Ay itong ibang version din to ng beatbox mga friends. Bali sabihin na natin love song na version to, pero sa pagkakaintindi ko to, habang pinapanood ko tong video na to, may effects siya. Alam niyo siguro, alam niyo yung 8 dimension music mga friends. May 3, di ba? May 3D, may 5.1 channel, ganun yung pagkakaalam ko. Pero ito, may effects na siya sa kanyang microphone, sa kanyang voice mga friends. So, yun. Hindi na natin patatagalin to mga friends. Let's do this without a further of beginning. Here we go.
Somebody said it's all you, person you've kissing,
Napapansin niyo mga friends, medyo slow tong
and I will never ask you. I just kept it to myself. I don't wanna know if you want me. Keep it on the low. Cause my heart can't take it anymore. If you're creeping, please don't let it show. Oh baby, I don't wanna.
tingin ko dito sa microphone niya mga friends, may sound card. May effects na rin.
Oh yeah, I think I got it when I hold you. When looking in your eyes, I can't believe, and I don't need to know the truth.
Napaka-low ng
Baby,
yung
keep it
bass.
to yourself. I don't wanna know if you want me. Keep it on the low. Cause my heart can't take it anymore. If you're creeping, please don't let it show. Oh baby, I don't wanna.
Grabe yung bass. Sobrang haba. So, yun. Sana na-enjoy nyo yung video natin ngayon mga friends. At grabe, napakatindi nun. At if you like this video, just give this video a thumbs up. At meron pa akong ipapanood sa inyo kakaibang beatbox din. So, that's for now. Maraming salamat sa panonood at hanggang sa muli.